Now, back here in our area, there were some new developments on a story that attracted a lot of attention last year.
The judge who released a domestic violence suspect who later killed his estranged wife is reassigned. Our Wojciechowski brings us up to date, and we want to warn you, some of the video you're about to see is graphic.
Call the police, call the police, call the police.
Why? What do I tell them that?
Tell them there's a shooting.
COPA released this disturbing video Thursday, the final moments of November Portage Park domestic violence situation that advocates say never should have happened. An off-duty police officer can be seen exchanging gunfire with a man on the 5600 block of West Leland after he had apparently stabbed his wife to death on the street outside her home. The man, 57-year-old Constantine Beldy, who days earlier had been released on electronic monitoring after a previous alleged attack. He escaped in a gold minivan but was found blocks away, dead in his vehicle.
We want to make sure that the next homicide is the last homicide.
The judge who ordered the release, Thomas Nowinski, who had been elected to the bench only 2 years earlier. Now Cook County's Chief Judge, Timothy Evans, has ordered Nowinski reassigned to misdemeanor traffic court in Rolling Meadows. In a statement, Evans said mistakes were made and that the tragedy also revealed the need for increased collaboration to improve protection for survivors of domestic violence. In particular, Evans said prosecutors failed to object when his defense attorney said Beldy had no history of domestic violence or violating any contact orders. From now on, Evans said, the court will collaborate with the Cook County State's Attorney's Office to ensure judges are presented with complete information about the criminal history and civil actions against the defendant. The family of Lacrimora Beldy has started a GoFundMe page to raise money to send her body back to her native Romania. Chief Judge Evans says the Adult Probation Department, which oversees GPS monitoring cases like this one, is significantly understaffed. He says he needs more than 150 people to staff such a department effectively, but that would cost a lot of money, about $24 million. Charlie Wojciechowski, NBC 5 News.